Alright, ladies and gentlemen, just got a viewer request from Appleboy 101 of how to remove this piece right here, this lower plastic bottom piece from the bumper. I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, we need to get under here and remove these little push tabs. Looks like one's already missing. So there's these little clips right here, and you'll see on the underside of this right there. And they clip in. There's a little hanger. There's like a little notch to push it out. And what I did was this on here. I had this on here. I got these pliers. It's just what I had available, and I don't care what it looks like. And I put it right up under here and got it up under, so it was facing like this, and then just pulled on it. And I pulled on it and it came right off. So now we do our little magic trick. We clean this up, plastic dip it black, and then we've got the front of the car blacked out right there. All right, looks a little funny because it's like freshly painted, but there it is, painted black, brand new, and back on. There you are, Appleboy. I'll see you in the next one.